Welcome back to another episode of Ask the Attorney. I'm your host, Alex Alexander with Client Focus Media. Today I'm really excited to bring Gail Donaldson from Bond and Botus Law. And they provide financial solutions. We're going to redo this in 3, 2, and 1. Give me just one moment, please.
Okay. And we're rolling.
Welcome back.
Oh, sorry. I thought you wanted me to count. Okay. 3, 2.
Welcome back to another episode of Ask the Attorney. I'm your host, Alex Alexander with Client Focus Media. Today I'm really excited to bring Gail Donaldson from Bond and Botus Law. That is the attorneys providing financial solutions. You find them online at bondandbotus.com. Welcome, Gail. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm incredible, and thank you for asking. And thanks for being on the show today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Just briefly before we came on camera, and I kind of would like to know a little bit about you, right? And then, of course, we want to know a little bit more about Bond and Botus. But what made you get into law, and how long have you been practicing?
I have a very funny story on how I landed where I am. When I'm actually from the Houston County, which is near the Dothan area in southeast Alabama. I went to college in Montgomery and couldn't find a job when I finished school, and ended up getting a job here at Bond and Botus as the receptionist. And so I worked hard, learned all the ins and outs of bankruptcy practice, which is what we primarily focus on, and was fortunate enough that the firm saw something in me and paid for me to go to law school. So I went to law school at night, and then when I finished, I've been here ever since. I've been admitted to the bar since 2000, so I've been doing bankruptcies a very long time. But yeah, seen it all, and love what I do. I get to work with people. I get to see faces, and feel like I've accomplished something when they're getting some relief. And I really do enjoy that, and it makes me much more thankful for all that I do have as a result, because I see a lot of different paths that people have had differently than mine. So I feel very fortunate to have the path that I've had, but it's been a long time that I've been practicing here for sure.
That's awesome. I mean, to me, that's an incredible story, right? So I don't know what to do. I'm going to get this job, and then obviously you have it within yourself to be whatever, and they saw that. And then, of course, just saying, hey, we will foot the bill for you to go to law school.
Right.
Golly guard, that's incredible. Yeah. So let's talk a little bit more about Bond and Botus for a moment. I mean, not everybody's company is going to do that. That is incredible. Right. So obviously, you guys are bankruptcy attorneys in Alabama. You actually have 2 states that you practice in, Alabama and Mississippi as well. Right. Tell us a little bit about the company itself and maybe the culture there.
Well, the one thing that I love about our firm is that we are throughout the state of Alabama. My focus in Montgomery is primarily Montgomery, Selma, Opelika, and everything south. And so we have offices throughout the state of Alabama and Mississippi. And because of that, we're able to join forces when we have a new issue that comes up. We can bounce things off what other districts are doing so that we can hopefully get the best, ending for our client based on what other courts are doing. And share and exchange ideas, things that are working in their districts that are something that we haven't been doing in ours, and we're able to share information and pull all that together. So that's an awesome thing.
That is incredible. So 21, 22 years, right? Working for the company. What do you think will be next in your career? Do you think it's going to be, now you have a pretty good sized firm there, right? It's not like the smallest place around. Is there maybe a chance that a partner kind of thing at some point, or?
I am a partner, actually. I became a partner in 2000. I've actually been here since 1993. So I've been here a long time and not going anywhere. So we'd love to have people come to us. We're not going anywhere. We're not, here today, gone tomorrow. We're still going to be here when you need something years later after your case is over.
That is awesome. I want everybody, of course, First and foremost, thank you very much for Gail and being on the show. But I want to thank everyone out there for tuning in to this episode of Ask the Attorney. If you'd like to learn more about Gail Donaldson from Bond and Bodis Law Offices, please go to bodis.com. Of course, here at iwanttabuzz.com. Do something good for yourself and do something good for others.